Parks, Tony.
Parks, Buffalo Parks or something. This is a Summit edition. So looking on the back, all sorts of stuff. And I think this has got either upgraded parts or...
Parks?
It may have upgraded parks as well. Upgraded cards or tokens or just more of it.
1 to 5 players.
That's unusual, isn't it?
That
1 to 4.
40 to 70 minutes. That's quite specific, is 70.
It is. I assume if you go to 71, it's because you didn't read the rules properly.
Yeah.
So let's crack this boy open and let's see what we've got.
I like the kind of the slightly pastel colours, you know.
That's probably the slowest taking off of a box lid ever seen.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh look, there you go. It's nice. Got the logo on the inside, and this is part of a first printed. Look at this.
Don't throw this away. This one.
No. This is a limited edition.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, so we've got a thing.
A card, Rocky Mountain, yeah.
A little advertising leaflet there.
Oh, it just tells you, welcome to Parks, the tokens you need to play a 3 cardboard sheet. So this is just like the overview of what you need.
Okay, this is nice. It's got a textured front cover. If you have a look, feel that cover, Steve.
Oh, that is a nice
The pages
texture.
aren't, but that's got a nice texture on it.
Tells you all your components, and then a nice layout of what you get. Because this is good when you get this, because it means you can always, when you're putting stuff back into the box, ensure that it's all there.
It is, and I also like it on the manuals when they put these sort of edge guides so you can find what you're looking for quickly.
Yeah.
Shows a bit of thought, shows, you know, especially when you come to the scoring, you know, that's the pink section.
Yep.
So that looks nicely laid out.
Nice.
And then we're straight into cardboard.
I called it the field guide. That's nice. Nice little touches, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, now this is good.
Hold on, let's pay attention to our cardboard.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
So nice cardboard tokens, again, bright, colourful.
Yeah.
Bit of space, I like that on tokens so that you can actually read them properly.
The graphics are really cleanly done, aren't they?
Yes,
very
they're real,
clean.
yeah. Except for this, you get to this, and this is sort of, that's just it's like a book, isn't it? A book opening. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, maybe they designed it a different way, but it wasn't obvious it was a book. And sometimes you probably could have been a completely different shape, and it looks like something entirely different.
Yeah, if you don't put the pages in, then that could literally be anything.
Yeah.
But that looks great. Now, what we both oohed at. So why don't you take one item? So there's 2 of these trays. They look like one of those ready meals.
Yes.
So, you know, first safety tip, don't eat the tokens.
Oh, hang on a minute. Before we even move on, look at the texture. They've made it to look like a log.
And they've put if you have a look, it says Parks on it.
Yeah.
So, okay, so yeah, again, that's attention to detail, isn't it? Rather than just put a plastic lid on it, bang. So, am I going to get this off without the parts going flying? Yes, I am. So, what have we got?
You've got the desiccant gel, and we're told to do not eat, throw away.
So that smells of a sort of gluey smell, but these are nice wooden.
Yeah, like PVA.
Yeah, that's what it smells like, isn't it? It is. It's probably the paint on these, but these are really great.
Look at it. I love that. Look at that.
Oh, well, you've got
snake.
little animals and stuff. Look, got goats.
Oh, yes.
Got a turtle.
Yep.
A killer whale. All
Yep.
killer whales drop there. Come back, mate. A beaver.
Got an eagle. Oh, I like beavers.
I've got a buffalo. I've got them all. I've got a crocodile.
Fish. There's one of everyone.
There's everything's in there.
It's like Noah's Ark, but just one of rather than 2.
His boat would have been half empty.
We're going to have some interesting species after this boat ride.
We are. So, tokens. Mm-hmm. And then we've got these boards that are sort of cut out.
Oh, this is like your
backpack and your water bottle.
I like this. Yeah.
This does look like it's going to be satisfyingly clicky to put stuff in. So I'm assuming, look.
Oh, that is good.
That fits in there quite very nicely. That is quite satisfying.
I need to do that. Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? It just slots in.
You've got to stay hydrated, haven't you, when you're playing
games?
You've
got to stay hydrated. You've got to put the little blue tokens in. And I assume, did you have some round ones? No.
So, no, that doesn't fit in there, obviously.
No, I think that's going to be these.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Okay, I like those player boards.
And
those are really cool.
Do you reckon you have to build out your pack full of things, and when this is full, you know you've completed it, maybe?
Well, this says photos, visited parks, gear, and passion.
I like a bit of passion.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on in the parks, but there is some passion occurring apparently. Oh, and then we got more tokens.
Hang on a minute. Look at this.
Oh, shiny. Got a shiny. Does that mean it's rare?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so
you can swap it with someone that we. Yeah.
Hold on. Whoa, never mind that. Look, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. Look at this baby. There is a mat. Oh, nice neoprene, nice stitched mat.
Yeah, look at that. That is very
nice. If that's the board, that's a
very
nice idea.
Is it me or has it got like a shiny metallic kind of feel,
almost
gleam to it?
Yeah, it has, hasn't it? It's almost like there's a little bit of glitter or something in there, but it's just making it shine.
It's lovely.
But that is lovely. Perhaps that's part of the upgraded Summit version, but I'm starting to be convinced that the Summit version may be the way to go.
I think so, yeah.
Then we got a ladybird and some cheese. I don't know. We've got some of those.
Oh, wow. Bags.
Bags of that disturbing material
it's like your rain jacket material.
That's right.
Like you'd actually have at a park, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
They haven't just put in felt or some sort of...
No, they've gone, you are an outdoors person. Here is your waterproof token bag.
Even the string looks like an elastic kind of cord with a carabiner clip on the end. They've committed. They've committed
to this. Says Bart, right, so we've got a couple of token bags.
Yep.
More tokens. Yeah.
Stickman tokens. Yeah.
Well,
hikers.
Oh, right. Sorry, I had it on the side. It looked like a shoe.
It's not a shoe.
No, it's a stick, man. If you put it that way up.
Yeah.
There we go.
And I do like this. This is good.
Yeah. It does make the box quite big, but I assume that was because they needed to fit the mat in, so it needed to be that high anyway. So they've moulded the box. And then shiny.
Check out some of them.
Shiny cards with really great artwork.
The artwork, yeah.
Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? I like that.
And something really satisfying about these.
There is, isn't it? And I love the texture of the... I mean, this is just quality all over, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, everything's just
Grand
really
Canyon.
nicely made.
They're all here. Yeah. Yellowstone. Yeah.
It reminds me a little of the nature game that we've done unboxing for. In, again, the quality, the artwork, this sort of stylized. Look at these great cameras.
That's nice, yeah. Great icons, yeah. Clean.
Coffee mug.
Can't go wrong with that.
This is all a compass, a journal, pen. So and again, these cards really nicely done.
Yeah.
Nice style to them.
If you're a Mormon though, and you get to the coffee card, can you play it?
Well, you can play it as long as you give it to somebody else, I believe.
They just can't drink it. Yeah.
They just apparently can't drink it.
Yeah. Death Valley. Okay, cool. It's all here. Yeah, nice.
So this is looking really great. And then there's sort of one last pack of cards. Mm-hmm. These look like your actions. So various actions, and then some really dull-looking ones, which I assume are something else.
Yeah.
Just sort of action cards or
I
adjustments.
really like the tones of colours they've picked. It all just matches really well. There's nothing here that kind of, I feel like, is sticking out. Like it all has been thought about from. From the box to the cards to the mat. So that everything has been really intentional, and I think it's going to give you just that little bit extra in terms of your playing experience. Yeah,
just very well designed, isn't it? You can see where they've spent their design bucks, and it's really paid off.
And I think when you open a box, and if you have spent, no matter what the price is of a game, it always wants to feel like great value. And if you can appreciate the work and the craftsmanship and the design that's gone into it, it just makes it feel like, I want to play that game again.
Well, yes. I mean, again, we prototype these games, they're always, you're always trying to get the rules right and the game right, and then when they've got to this part, that care and quality carries through, and that's key, isn't it? So the interesting thing will be to give this game a go and check that the game plays as well as it looks. Yeah. And if it does, it'll be spectacular, because, I mean, this looks really, really great piece of kit and design and colour and artwork. And if it plays as well as it looks...
It's going to be a great game.
It is.
Again, very family friendly. I like the theme of it, but also there's a really nice bit of education here. I can imagine there's going to be lots of discussions if you were playing with, children, or you're going to be able to talk about, for example, where is the Grand Canyon, where's that located in America, and all those. There'll be nice little conversations, I think, to come of it because of the way that it not only looks, but to gauge that interest, yeah.
Yeah, but it's always good. I mean, this great thing about board games, lots of board games come with that educational, you learn stuff bonus, doesn't it, from from tulip trading in Amsterdam to the national parks of America.
Yeah.
The board games are always bringing something new to the table.
They are. That's why you play them.
That's why we keep buying them.
Yep.
Okay, so you might want to have a look at Barks. This is, remind you, is the Summit Edition. So this is the slightly upgraded version.
Yeah, love it.
Parks.
Check it out.